how to promote video using Twitter ads. Suppose I'm uploading one video on the Twitter, so that how to be promoting for the my Twitter ads. That is called promoting video for increasing the views. Now here, this is my Twitter account. I'm taking this one, and here the applicable will be 2 minutes 20 seconds only. The applicable only for 2 minutes 50 seconds. In the previous they take by 1 minute. They exit up to 2 minutes 20 seconds. Suppose if you share by Vimeo, Dailymotion, YouTube, they are applicable by unlimited. Why? Because this is called we share only for YouTube link and Vimeo link. It's clear. Now here we can upload by the direct video. Now it's simple. I'm uploading the one video here. So wait for a second here. So total how many minutes? 1 minute 20 seconds. Complete done by 1 minute 20 seconds. So the video belongs to for digital market online training in Somajuda. Simply I'm done with my post. So what is the training by? Can give by digital marketing online training. Hyderabad. We can give for our address also. Give for our website address also. So here, just one take for more info. I can give by my website here. Now click for pitch. So with that. So Twitter is supported by the up to 280 character will be supported by here. Now this video applicable by the 2 minutes 20 seconds up to here. Now they're uploading my video here. So perfectly upload my video. So my video, how to increase my views? I'm going to wear Twitter ads promoting video or video views. Okay. Now can give me this RTS video HYD. I give some name here. Now what is that? My daily budget. It's not showing for the rupees. They're showing for the dollars. They're showing by USD dollars. Simple here. Now why they showing for dollars here? You have question? Why showing for dollars here? Now simple come to here. I'm going to this select here. What is that? Setting and privacy. My professor with the Indian account, but they're showing by the dollars. Why? This is designed by the US company. So look here. We're using this one. US. This top 8th rank in the US. So US will be supported only for dollars, not for the rupees. So suppose I'm give for $10. How much they will charge? 600 rupees. How much? 600 rupees. Simple. I can give by $10. Almost how much we give the $10 total budget. If you give optional, suppose you can putting for total budget your campaign budget some $3,000, $30,000. You can fix one budget for adding amount on your Twitter account. Now, when you start campaign on Twitter ads, so your campaign running for today are scheduled dates, some start date to end date. I'm start immediately, run continuously. When I can stop my own self, it can continuously will be run by ads, or else set date and end date. Now will be start by 7:30 today. End by we can give a specific date, 19th. I can give by 21st. In this, we can start by 11:30 p.m. before afternoon. See it. Done. It's okay. It is the midnight of 21st 1 2018. Now simple one. Click for next. Now here we can create a previous we discussed n number of tweets we can select here. Simple 1, 2. See this 3, 4. Suppose don't select this one. So which one in the YouTube video we can watch it? The videos are there. Just watch. So this is all the YouTube videos. Yes or no? Look here. Now, anyone is there direct video video? No videos are there direct video. Only one video is there. Direct video. Yes or no? For first video, recently added video. This is the direct video. It's clear? Now come to here. So I'm selecting how many? 1. Now we'll check anything else. Nothing is there. Now click for next. Now what is that? Choose your creativities. Original campaign form. So see best practice for Twitch. This is only for promoting. What are the ways you can search by here itself. Now click for next. Is give option here. First you are creating for your post. Which post you done the previous in the Twitter wall, they can select by that post here. Or second one, targeting. Which one you are targeting here? Any gender, male or female. Now all age groups or else age range 18 to 54 is very high. 18 to 49 is better. 18 years to 49. Now here. What's that? Location I'm saying for India. But I'm saying here Hyderabad. Hyderabad is there? No Hyderabad. Sorry, let's close it. So you can select by India. Sorry, this is a language. I forget to click here. Sorry. Sorry, this I forgot here. This is called location. Which location pin code you can add it? See this. Is based on the pin code. See this pin code, location, device, and platforms. By select by the postal code. See, when I'm selecting for country, state, region. When I'm selecting for 5,18,000, they select by one location here. So I'm searching for Hyderabad. Anything else, nothing will be there. So you can add by the pin code wise. Now, this is my location. We'll search here. Anything adding here? Nothing. You can add by your this box only. Now, audience future. If you are showing any audience, particular audience will be there. Suppose look here. See, anyone is there? You can add by one person. What is the purpose of adding this person? I am recommending my video for this particular person. Now, simple here. See, n number of persons are there. Look, I am give as it. Done. What's that? Recommendation. Even nothing but they automatically generate the post into their wall also for clicking purpose. Now here. So these are the recommendations. But I'm giving only for 2 persons. Now done. First I'm adding with the demographic, nothing but male or female and age range. Next one is location. Third one is the audience future. We can target by the recommended persons also. Come to here. Done. Click for next. What is that? This is campaign total budget. I'm give for $300. Almost up. They're going to 18 to 19,000. So here, automatic bid or manual bid. What is the manual bid? Nothing but we can give the particular budget here. Simple. Per click, how much charge? For bidding, how much charge? 5 rupees. Per click will be charged for 5 rupees. Suppose I'm charging for 2 rupees. Look here. So clear? I give the how much? $2 is going to the dollar price. See, for video view, $2 will be very high. Suppose I can give like this. So recommend range. Look here 0.102, 0.50. We are putting for 0.50. Done. Now see here. For 3 second, 100% view. For 3 second or 100% view, or else for video view. So if they click the view, my charges will be gone. But I'm give the minimum 3 seconds required. Minimum 3 second to 100% view. This call our budget will be very going to good percentage for looking the people also. Now click for next. Now we'll check the review here. What is that? Campaign name, campaign running dates, and what is the campaign daily budget? $10. So advanced pricing by standard. What is that? Two will be, one is the manual and the second one is the standard. We can put in for standard. So is my ad group promoted video views, my ad group. So what is the dollar will be? Complete total budget $300. So maximum bidding price 0.50 USD, 3 seconds or 100% view. When you click by 3 seconds up to, you will be deducted. Up to 100% view also they will be deducted your amount. How much deduct your amounts? $0.50 is not a rupees. They consider by the dollars. What is that? Up to preference. I'm not giving any preference. Some like Twitter somewhere into the wall. You can play anywhere itself. Now select the 5 targeting criteria. Done. Now here. For this one, this is a post here. Now click for launch campaign. The campaign will be launched here. See here. They're going to wear payment method. When you're adding payment, proceed to confirmation. So this is where we can add into the for increasing the video views.